Hello everyone. So today we will be looking at my new project Wordle. So I have created this using MongoDB, Express, React and Node.js. So, so this is my Wordle file. So first let me walk you through the backend part. So I have used Express and Node.js to create the backend APIs. So we will also be testing APIs using the Postman tools. So this is the server.js part. So I'll just give you a quick walkthrough. So here you can see this is used to connect to the MongoDB. So once it gets connected, it will give you connection successful. Then we have created a model for to store all the 5-letter words. So let me switch the tab. See, so Wordle here we have two collections, 5-letter words and users. Users will store all the details regarding the users, and 5-letter words will contain all the 5-letter words like there, word. So it has something around 5756 words. Users contains all the data of the users, name, password, solved words, score, etc. So this password part you can use JWT authentication, or you can use bcrypt so that it is more secure. So just this is a basic implementation. So let me go back to the tab. So we have created here two models, one for storing 5-letter words and one for storing the users. So this schema involves name, password, solved, score, and the default value is 0, and the word contains string. So you can see here in 5-letter words or in users, MongoDB automatically assigns a unique ID for each object. Okay, then I'll walk you through the backend APIs. So this API is used to get word. So this is used to generate a random word which the user has not solved. And this is for user sign up, user login. You can pause the video and see. And this API will take the name as a parameter and solved. This is to add a new word to the user solved array. So it will keep a track of all the words that the user has solved, so that it won't generate the same words again and again. Then we have get score, the score of the user, set score to set the score. If the user solves the word successfully, the user score gets incremented by 1. And the last API we have used is leaderboard. So in this I have set the limit to 5. It will show the top 5 users who are with maximum points. Okay, then we will be starting the backend server. So the server started on port 3000, as you can see. We have also mentioned here port 3000, and it has the connection with the MongoDB was successful as well. So in this way you can start the server, and for now testing the APIs we will use Postman. So this is the user sign up. So first let us check what all the APIs we have. User sign up, get word, users login, solved, get score, set score. So this is a get So this posts a get request and get it, so you will get the top 5 users. So I'll just post this request. So these are the top 5. We only have 3 users in our database now, so it is showing a 3. Let me just adjust this. So these are the top leaderboard players. We'll set score, as you can see here. So we'll perform a quick sign up. Let's say the name of the user is He-Man. User registered successfully. So this API is working fine. So now we have signed in. The user is signed in now. Now we'll be going to use the login. So for user sign in, we use this. So I'll just copy this. So I'll do the login part now. So now we have logged in successfully. The score is 0 by default. So now we'll use get word. So in the names parameter, we'll put the name He-Man. Oh, sorry, my bad. Word. So it has generated a word acnes, which is a 5-letter word for our user. So we have completed 3 APIs. Moving on to the next one. Now let's check all the APIs solved by He-Man. So in this one, I have used this word there. So this word will be added to the array of He-Man. So you can means he has solved this word there, and this word will be added to the array of He-Man so that the word doesn't get generated again. We were randomly generating the words, so it should not generate repetitive words, right? The user doesn't want to play the same words again and again. So the words solved by the user have been pushed into the array. So now He-Man has solved this word there. Now we'll use getScore for our He-Man. The score is 1 because he has solved only one word. Now to set score. Set score will only increment the score of the user by 1. Score incremented successfully. So now if I do get score again, now the score is 2. So moving on to the last API, this is the leaderboard API. So now if I do send, see, now you can see He-Man is on 3rd. His score is 2. Almighty Pikachu with score 1, Lucifer with score of 11, and Naman with score of 35. So we have successfully tested the APIs, and this was we are hosting the backend server on port 3000. So now backend server is working fine. All the APIs are working fine. Now let's check here users. I just refresh this. You can see He-Man. So this is also working fine. You can see the solved array there. So everything is working fine in the backend part. So now we'll check the front end part. So I'm going to need a new terminal. I'll just split this. So I have kept this in the Wordle. Wordle cd src and npm start. So always run the app on another port. So I'll select Y. So this is our website, Wordle. So these are the three options. With guest you can directly go on to the interface to where you can play this game, or you can sign up and log in. For sign up, username, let's Superman. So we get this message, user registered successfully. Okay. Superman 1 2 3 4 5. So we can see our username here with a score of 0. So and this will show you how to play the game. Guess the Wordle in 6 tries. Each guess must be a 5-letter word. The color of the tiles will change to show how close your guess was. If it is green, it is in the correct spot. If it is yellow, it is in the wrong spot, but the letter is present in the word. If it is in grey, means it is not present in the word. So I'll just go back. Sorry. I'm doing okay. So let's use. I click on submit. So F is in the right place. We have A, then we have A here. So it's a difficult word. The word was favor. Okay, so no increment in score. So now we get a new word randomly generated by our API. So again we'll go so we have Y, D, R and L. So R is there. So dryly. So I have successfully guessed the word. So now the score gets incremented by 1. Superman, leaderboard. So we have Superman here, Almighty Pikachu, He-Man, Lucifer, Naman. So this is a fully fledged MERN application. So you can also host the backend server, the database on MongoDB Atlas. You can use AWS tools to host it. host the server. So now this is all hosted on localhost, so you will not be able to find this on anywhere online. So this was the app. I'll just make you go through the front end part. So in src you have components. I'll just close this. First page, leaderboard, login. Second page, sign up. So it is a good practice to create different components for everything. The code looks clean. And I have used Bootstrap because I didn't want to do some new things in the design part. It was fine for me to use default sign up boxes, the default created styles for sign up, login. So my main motto was to make the things work. So here so this is I've used Bootstrap, and if you want to use some more styling, I will suggest you to use Tailwind CSS. So you can implement more styles, you can create it your own way. Bootstrap is more for those people who would like to use default styles. So thank you guys, this was my project on Wordle. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.